this is Kalias from Kreatives Leben. Um, Today, I would like to show you how to do your own journal, and this is a so-called letter journal because it fits inside a letter and can be sent around, which is a great thing to do if you want to have a very unique letter journal and sharing with others. So I am in a group and we are exchanging letter journals, and basically you send them around, and after a few weeks your journal comes back with the art of different artists, which is great. And this letter journal, the theme is cities, and because of that I chose an old map, and here I have cut it in pieces. It's basically a square. I think it's about 6 to 6 inches. That would be probably the size, I guess. And I'm now have put always two pieces together. Once they've glued, now I'm showing you a very special way of binding these, and I think this is the easiest way to do. You need to fold each square in half so that you know where the middle uh, stick everyone down with washi tapes. So there is no thread, no needle needed. It's very easy to do. It's probably something you could do with kids. So I would recommend, and it holds very well together. I've done it for other art journals and I can recommend it. So that's an easy way to create your own art journal. I'm going to show you a few more things that I'm doing, but that's a first step. Stick everything down with your washi tape. You have to be careful because washi tapes are very um, breakable, so they have a tendency just to break, and then it's really a pain. And I love this little washi tape because it really fits the topic. These are little cars. I think these are even little taxis. Um, Here you see me, and that's one other thing. My page wasn't exactly in the middle, so I'm able to pick up um, the washi tape, and then I'm gluing it down again, and so that's basically it. So now you see me going back, and I'm not going to show you the final product, maybe when it comes back to me, but I don't want to show you how to uh, create art. I'm just creating a background, a canvas, so to say, for the people that are going to use my letter journal, and these people are going to have like a similar background, and it makes it more cohesive. That's basically what I'm trying to do. So here you see me take some gesso. It's actually a mixture of white gesso and transparent gesso. So some pages have more, some have less. And what I'm also doing, I have some stickers around traveling, and I really love the colors. I felt that they were very fitting, so I stick them down. But you will see that now I will first finish putting some gessos on the pages, and once this is done, I will put the sticker on the page. So that's basically what I have decided to do. So I'm pretty happy about how it looks, um, uh, and basically, as I said, it can look very different afterwards because everyone is going to take what they find, and based on what inspires them, they will, either take the sticker and try to replicate, or try to use some of the colors on the stickers, or basically they will hate what I have created and will put lots of new colors and new forms and whatever. And it's very interesting to see how what everyone does based on what they have found on the pages they have chosen. Well, at the beginning they can choose; at the end you simply take what is left. So that's the first thing. I'm putting my gesso, and that is better because the pages of my map were very glossy and also very fragile. And here I'm taking my brayer, and basically I'm taking some teal because I felt that the different stickers that I'm using have a lot of teal, and they also have some magenta. And these are the two colors I'm putting on each page, and this is to make it more cohesive and also to make sure that it all looks like one, and it fits well with the maps. And yeah, as I said, it's going to be interesting to see what everyone does. Then I'm taking a little bit of paint and I'm taking a stamp and I'm just putting my quinacridone, I think it's quinacridone magenta, here on the page. And here I'm just creating similar patterns, similar colors. Um, yeah, to have fun and for everyone to start from. And it's going. I'm not. My intention is not to finish the background. Obviously, you could do more, but that's not my intention. So one of the last steps I will be doing is now I'm taking some cardstock and I'm the inner pages inside my cardstock. So it's slightly bigger than what I had originally, so that um, my pages are neatly tucked inside my cardstock. And I'm also putting it down with washi tape. And what I'm trying to do now, because I'm in multiple groups, I'm adding information about the name. So who does this letter journal belong to? And also to whom everyone needs to send their journal to. So what is the sequence? And you will see we are 9 in this group, which is quite big, and I'm not quite sure always that's a good idea because I have lost already a few letter journals. So when you lose one or two, you're losing all the effort that you have put in the other letter journals, basically. So that's a pity. Um, so here I'm putting little stickers where I will write down the names of the others, also as a reminder, but also for everyone, where is it, how many are to come, who does it belong to, what's the topic. Yeah, so it's a lot of fun. And here you see me put matte medium down because I always feel that many, especially the very small stickers, they have a tendency not to stick. So you see me here move one around because I felt that it was not in line and I wanted to move it before I had finished putting gluing everything down. And the last thing I want to do is I want to have a little title page, uh, just as a theme for my journal. And that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed it. You will see more details in the close-ups. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Have fun. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Have fun.